Hi there, this is the Z sound, as in the words as, his, and always. The Z sound is a sound from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiced alveolar sibilant. This means that you create friction through clenched teeth by directing airflow with the tip of the tongue. The Z sound is made through the mouth and is voiced, which means that you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the shape of your teeth and the position of your tongue. And it's a sibilant, which is a sound made by directing a stream of air with the tongue towards the sharp edge of the teeth. To produce the sound, clench your teeth lightly together and put your tongue just behind them, restricting airflow to a narrow channel over the tongue and through the teeth. Then you push air through the channel and through the teeth whilst voicing out. Zzz, zzz, zzz. The Z sound is normally spelled with the letter Z, as in the words citizen. But it can also be spelled with the letters SE or X, as in the words these, because, and exactly. Here are a couple of words that begin with the Z sound. Zone and zoo. To be honest, there are not many more that are used very often. So here are some words with the Z sound in the middle. Business, president, result, and reason. Here are some words with the Z sound at the end. Use, those, size, and lose. So that's it for the Z sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, single consonants and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the overall phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video to this, with lots of examples and an explanation of how to pronounce that sound. At the English Language Club, we also offer live online classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. To make a booking with me or one of our other teachers, visit our website. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.